What's up, YouTube? Listen, fam, I wanted to tap in with you guys to help you make some money to close out the week, okay? You guys know each and every day we shoot for at least $100 a day. I want you guys to keep your focus on that, okay? Do me a favor before we dive into it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes, okay? And with that being said, guys, check it out really quickly. I have the SPY pulled up here, and we're sitting at 434.45 at the time of this recording. It's early morning right now, okay? And so that is on the downside, okay? We've gapped down. We closed yesterday at 436. We are sitting now $2 from where we closed down here at 434. Check this out. Write this down, everybody. 433.60 is your next level of support. That's the more last line of support before we go test 432. So you need to say to yourself, if we break 433.60, that was yesterday's lows, okay, then we may have a test of 432. Okay, that's how I want you guys to look at this, and this is what we call levels. All right, right now we're sitting at one support level, 434.45. Okay, the next support level is 433.60. So you always want to know and anticipate where a stock may go on an eventual move down or up. Okay, make a note of those levels and just know if we lose 433.60, if we don't bounce off that level, so that don't mean we won't go test it, but we're looking to bounce back above. Make sure a candle doesn't close below that level, and that will take us back to the upside. To the upside though, guys, however, we have resistance at 436.50. Okay, but check this out. If we can get to and through 436.50, that opens the door for us to go to 437.40. Make a note of these things. Watch this a couple times if you need to. Okay, but with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the charts real quick. All right, I mapped this out for you guys so that you guys can see what it may look like if you're doing some chart work. Now, this is a 30-minute chart pulled up here on the SPY. All right, and right now we're sitting at support, but below that, the next level of support is 433.60. But you see the blue line right now is serving as resistance. Yesterday we couldn't break above it. Shout out to everybody that got a call at 435, rolled it to 436, but we haven't been able to break it. If we can break resistance, which is at 436.50 right now, okay, that opens the door for us to close the gap at 437 and eventually go to 439. Okay, but those things must happen first in order for us to move higher. 436.50 is our first target so that we can go higher. Okay, now check this out. With that being said, guys, a stock that I'm going to be looking at, I told you, and I try to walk you guys through the journey with me. All right, check this out. SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI, is sitting at 810 right now at the time of this recording. However, I will be looking to buy more of this at $8 or below. So preferably $7.99, $7.95, $7.74, things of that nature. Okay, be on the lookout, because in today's afternoon video, I'll come on and tell you I bought 100 shares of X, Y, or Z. Okay, hopefully it's this one, but remember, we buy the dip. We buy responsibly. We buy when stocks are in our buy zone. We don't buy high. We don't chase. We don't do any of that, okay? We always are to remain disciplined and remain surgical, all right? So SoFi, put this on your watch list. $8 or below is a great area to dollar cost average, accumulate more shares. I'll be looking to do the same, and I'll share it all with you guys if we hit below that level. And if I'm able to scoop up some shares, I'm going to share that with you guys in the next video, as well as all the buys, because guess what, guys, it's Friday, so that means it's time to go shopping. We ain't going to the mall. We not buying no bags. We not doing any of that. We are buying assets. Okay, we are buying assets and things that can generate revenue so that when they sleep, we eat. Okay, so when we're making money all times of the day, throughout the month, throughout the year, That's the name of the game, okay? So listen, guys, SoFi, I got on my radar. I want you guys to put this on your watch list for the target of $8 or below. So say to yourself, $7.99, $7.80, $7.70. Think like that, okay? The lower, the better. Far as if you want to hold this long term, and if you want to see this go to $10, $14, you want to have it on the low end, as I'm trying to illustrate for you guys how you properly dollar cost average, how you properly wait to buy the dips versus chasing. You see the patience we had to show and the patience we had to demonstrate, because why? SoFi has been on a tear, okay? All of these plays I've already helped you guys throughout this year already double up in Palantir, SoFi, Nvidia, Tesla, okay? But why not rinse and repeat? Why not, when you have proven winners and you already know what the stock will do, when it cools off, this is your chance to get more shares. If you didn't get it on the first time, this is your chance to get in now at a lower price than where it was at when it was sitting up 100%, okay? So as these things come down, I want you guys to look for the opportunity to accumulate some shares in this, okay? With that being said, guys, as always, remember to be patient. Remember to be surgical, okay? This is not a game that you have to rush into. This ain't that, all right? If in doubt, you sit it out. If you are in doubt, if you don't see a move you like, if you don't feel like you're sure about where the stock is going, don't throw and waste money. It's okay to sit it out, okay? And you need to know that's okay. Yes, we like to try to make $100 a day, which ultimately for some equates to $1,000 a day, okay? But guys, you don't have to trade and put your money on the line every day if you don't see a setup you like, all right? Be patient enough, be disciplined enough to wait on those things to manifest, so that you know I'm taking a high quality and a high probability trade setup, okay? That's what you want to do. That's what you want to shoot for, all right? With that being said, guys, I want to wish you the best of luck. I want you to finish the week with a bang, and I want you to get ready to run it back next week. If that sounds good to you guys, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.